Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor, the Lady Governor will exchange their Independence Day greetings to all the dignitaries who have come here to celebrate this momentous occasion. மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்கள், மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்களின் துணைவியார் அவர்கள் இங்கு வருகை தந்துள்ள அனைத்து முக்கியஸ்தர்களுக்கும் தங்களது சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்து வருகின்றார்கள். The Honorable Governor and Lady Governor were exchanging greetings with the Vice Chancellors of universities, heads of NIRF institution, university body nominees, state association representatives, schools and college principals, emphasize the importance of educating the next generation about our unsung heroes and their sacrifices. They stress the significance of teaching young minds about our unity in diversity and the strength it brings, encouraging gratitude towards those who fought for our freedom and equality, especially as we celebrate Independence Day. India's journey to freedom was a path filled with immense sacrifice, courage, and unity. From the first war of independence against the British to the Quit India movement, our freedom fighters faced numerous challenges to secure our independence. The Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are wishing the esteemed guests, who are the representatives from the civil society, central government officials, and the heads of various central government officers, who too honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters as we celebrate this day of freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand free because of the countless brave souls who fought for our independence. Their unwavering determination inspires us to contribute positively to our country. Carrying this message, the Honorable Governor and the Lady Governor are exchanging their Independence Day greetings with guests from the Diplomatic Corps, senior officers, retired IAS, IPS officers, women's self-help groups, and the representatives from the Valalar Society, who too have come here with a mutual patriotic feeling. India is a land of diverse culture, language, and tradition. Yet, we stand united as one nation. Our strength lies in this unity, and it is what has kept us strong. To cherish and preserve this unity, to continue building a prosperous India is our motto. And with that elevated thought, we have among us the young achievers, heads of MSME, startups, organizers of various functions, Padma awardees with whom the Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are exchanging their greetings. நாம் சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசிக்க பல இன்னல்களை தாங்கி சிறை காற்றை சுவாசித்த உயிர் நீத்த தியாகிகளுக்கு வீர வணக்கத்தை ஒன்று சேர்ந்து உறக்க கூறுவோம் என்று சொல்லி இங்கு வருகை தந்துள்ள முக்கியஸ்தர்களுக்கு மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்கள் மற்றும் மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்களின் துணைவியார் அவர்கள் தங்களது சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்து வருகின்றார்கள். சாதி, மத, இன, மொழி வேறுபாடுகளை கடந்து இந்தியன் என்ற ஒற்றை சொல்லால் இணையும் பாரத நாட்டின் சொந்தங்களுக்கு இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நாட்டின் விடுதலைக்காக போராடிய தியாகிகளை போற்றி வளமான வல்லரசு என்ற பாரதத்தை உருவாக்க அனைவரும் பாடுபடுவோம். Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor, the Lady Governor are exchanging their Independence Day greetings with all the dignitaries who have come here as one family. As India celebrates its 78th Independence Day, the eminent doctors, founders, MD, and chairpersons of hospitals have come together to reflect our nation's journey, spread the joy and pride of freedom. The Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are exchanging their wishes with them. May the pride of being an Indian light up your heart today and always. Happy Independence Day. The Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are expressing their Independence Day greeting to the Honorable Council of Ministers, the Honorable Members of Parliament, and the Honorable Members of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. On this Independence Day, let's celebrate not just the freedom we have, but the courage and sacrifices that made it possible. May we honor their legacy by cherishing the liberty we enjoy and working towards a brighter, united future for all. With this unanimous emotion, the Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are exchanging their greetings with the Honorable Judges, chairpersons of various commissions and tribunals, and High Court law officers who too have come here with reflecting their respect and love for the nation. This Independence Day, the young entrepreneurs have taken a moment to reflect on the true meaning of freedom, which echoes not just about rights, but the responsibility to uplift others and build a society where every heart feels the warmth of liberty and respect. And the Honorable Governor, along with the Lady Governor, are wishing these young entrepreneurs on the occasion of the 78th Independence Day celebration. On this special day, let's remember that independence is not just about celebrating our past, but also about building a future where everyone's dreams can flourish. Here's to a nation that continues to grow with empathy and strength. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are wishing the retired officers from the Defense Service, the guest of the Honorable Governor, and the respected secretaries to the government. வளமான பாரதத்தை உருவாக்க இந்த நன்னாளில் நாட்டு மக்கள் அனைவரும் உறுதியெடுப்போம். May the light of freedom illuminate our path and guide us towards a future where every citizen can realize their full potential. The Honorable Governor and the Lady Governor have reached the bay of the Defense Service officers, industrialists, members from the Chamber of Commerce, bank officials, members from the Ex-Servicemen Welfare Board and Coast Guard veterans and heads of Department. Independence Day. மாண்புமிகு ஆளுநர் அவர்களின் துணைவியார் அவர்கள் தங்களது சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்களை இங்கு கூடியுள்ள அனைத்து முக்கியஸ்தர்களுக்கும் தெரிவித்து வருகின்றார்கள். The founders of press and media, chancellors of universities, editors of various press and media, national award winners, sportspersons, artisans, families of freedom fighters, our extended family from the tribal community, farmers, fishermen, teachers, and many responsible citizens who have contributed towards the development of a nation. And the Honorable Governor and Lady Governor, with smile and pride of being a Bharatiya, are exchanging their greetings with all the proud Bharatiyas who have honored this occasion with their valuable presence. நம் நாடு சுதந்திரம் அடைவதற்காக பலர் போராடியுள்ளனர். சுதந்திரம் என்பது வெறும் வார்த்தை அல்ல, இது ஒரு சித்தாந்தம், ஒரு இயக்கம். உரிமைகளுக்காக போராடி உயிர் நீந்தவர்கள் பலர். சுதந்திர வேள்வி தீயில் கலந்து கொண்டு போராடியதில் நம் தமிழ்நாட்டை சார்ந்த பெண் விடுதலை போராட்ட வீராங்கனைகள் ஏராளம். அவர்களை இத்தருணத்தில் வணங்குவோம். Independence Day is a time to showcase pride and patriotism. It is also a reminder that despite differences in language or tradition, we are all part of one nation. On Independence Day, we join hands to honor the courage of the brave people who fought for our rights. As a nation, our unity and diversity are our greatest strength. The freedom that we enjoy today came as a result of the sacrifices of our valiant freedom fighters. இந்த அற்புதமான நாளில் தேசிய கொடியை வணங்கி ஒளிமயமான வலிமையான உருவாக்குவோம். லட்சக்கணக்கான மக்களின் தியாகத்தை போற்றி புகழ்ந்து சுதந்திரத்தை கொண்டாடுவோம். நாம் அனைவரும் பாரத தேசத்தின் பிள்ளைகள் என்பதில் பெருமிதம் கொள்வோம். நம் தேசத்தை மேலும் மேன்மையடைய ஒருங்கிணைந்து பாடுபடுவோம். Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor, the First Lady of the state are exchanging their Independence Day greetings to all the dignitaries who have come here. This is a very blessed moment to meet our brothers and sisters from various extended family who have come here on one platform with a unanimous thought, with a unanimous patriotic feeling that we are all children of one family. We are all children of Bharat Mata. Ore Bharadam, Unnada Bharadam. The Honorable Governor, the Lady Governor are heading towards the bay of the associate organizations, civil society representatives, voluntary organization, the differently able person organization, heads of religious organization, farmers, fishermen. Traversing the many created differences, we always believe that we are all one. And that has proved during many times as we stood together to save and protect our Mother Earth and our nation. And we have all come here today to reaffirm the fact that, yes, we will be together, we will fight together, we will serve together, we will strive together, and together we will take our nation to the penultimate level, that is, and make India, Bharat, the Vishwaguru. Your greetings from your respective earmarked seats. the freedom fighters because of whom we are breathing this beautiful air called freedom. They are also present here amidst us. A blessed moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let us celebrate the rich tapestry of our nation's history, honoring the courage and resilience of those who came before us. May their legacy inspire us to build a more just, equitable, and prosperous society. Ladies and gentlemen, we request all of you to rise up for the flag retreat. gentlemen, dear dignitaries, we humbly request all of you to kindly join us for the high tea. Elaborate arrangements have been made on both sides of the stage, and our volunteers will guide you to your respective tables. Thank you so much for coming. Once again, happy Independence Day to all our dignitaries who have assembled here. Our volunteers to guide our dignitaries to their respective tables. Dear dignitaries, our volunteers are here to help you, assist you. Kindly enjoy the refreshment, the grand feast organized to celebrate the most grandest day of the year, the Independence